Hi everyone, welcome to the keys. And in this video we'll continue with our how to get the chord progression of a song series. So we'll be doing Hiding Place by Moen. I would have loved to play the song at the background, but most times all these social media platforms will just track your videos because of the sound you're playing at the background. So if I should play the original song, it would have been more better having the original song and then having to analyze it live where we can all see and learn from it. But if I post it on Facebook, they will strike it out. If I post it on YouTube, it will also be struck out. So I have to manage it this way. So the song itself originally is in the key of D. So it's supposed to be. So, but I will do it in the key of C, C sharp, F, and F sharp, as I've always been doing. So, remember I said if you want to score a song, the first thing you do is a key. So I said number one, get the key of the song. So just like I said, the song was in the key of D. Okay, so after you've gotten the key, the next thing you want to do is write up the lyrics of the song the way it was sung. For instance, the song Hiding Place by Moen, as you can see on the screen, I've already outlined the song the way he sang it. You are my hiding place, line 1. I run to you, line 2. I need your mercy and grace, line 3. To see me through, line 4. So I run to you, line 5. Step 1, get the key of the song. Step 2, write up the lyrics the way the song was sung. Step 3, identify the chord changes. Identify the chord changes. Now, if you have been following my lessons, I've outlined these. If you have been following my lesson, I've explained what chord changes are. So these are words or empty spaces that carries the chord of a song in that song. So what that means is it's not every word that you play a chord. It's not every word in a song. For instance, if you look at the screen, I've already underlined where the chords were played, the chord changes are. So you can see I underlined the empty space before you. So, and if you listen to the song, it's you are my hiding place. So as you can see, I didn't play any chord for my or you. Hiding place, the empty space. Run to you. I need mercy and grace. So that is what chord changes are. These are either words or empty spaces that carries the chord in that song. Now, after you have underlined the chord changes, what you now do is to begin to get the chord progression of the song. Now, if you're an absolute beginner, this might be difficult at first because you will need to pass through what I call ear training exercise. And if you like to learn from the scratch to the professional level, I offer courses for all levels, for beginners, intermediate to advanced, ear training also. So you can cut out the number on the screen to be part of the class. Now, after you have underlined the chord change, so you want to step 4 now. What are the chords for those chord change? Now, to be able to do that, by ear training, you should be able to tell the difference between a major sound and a minor sound by your ear. Now, if you know that, it then becomes very easier to know the chord to play. So if the sound is a minor sound I'm not talking about the minor, what you people call minor. You call diminished chord minor, dominant chords minor because they sound off the key. That is a wrong theory. So when I'm talking about major, I'm talking about the 1, 4, and 5, that is do, fa, and so. If I'm talking about minor, I'm talking about the 2, 3, and 6, that is re, mi, and la. So always have that in mind. The other things you call minor, I don't know where we got those things from. Now, so already I've scored the song. So I will not be teaching ear training in this video because ear training is likely going to take weeks to learn. So let's go to the next thing. So these are the chords. So starting from the key of C. So the empty space is a 6. A is 3. That is me. Hiding is 2. Place is 1. Then 6 again. 3. 1, 2. I need your mercy and grace. 6. To see me through. I run to you. So if you see, I was only playing the chords on the chord change. And that doesn't mean when you're getting to the next chord that doesn't have a chord change. I mean, the next word that doesn't have a chord change. That doesn't mean you should move your hand. You stop playing. No. The previous chord should cover for the words that do not have chord. For instance, the empty space, this 6, covered for you. You are. So I didn't change the chord until I get to the next chord change, which is A. You are. Do you understand? So you don't do A, hiding, place, roll. You. It sounds very stupid. Okay. So that is another tip you should know. Okay. So now I'll be playing the whole song now in the key of C. You are my hiding place. I run to you. I need your mercy and grace to see me through. So now we go to the next part. So the chorus, you are my strength, oh God, you will uphold me. So there's the chord change and the chords on the screen. So let me move to the key of C sharp. So I'll just play it one time and move. You are my strength, oh God. You will uphold me. You are my shield, oh God. You will protect. So let me move to the key of F. To see me through, I run to you. You are my strength, oh God. You will uphold me. You are my strength, oh God. Sorry. You will put. Then lastly, the key of F sharp. Well, let me get the key right. You are my hiding place. I run to you. I need your mercy and grace to see me through. I run to you. You are my strength, oh God. You will uphold me. You are my strength, oh God. You will protect. So with this, we come to the end of this lesson. Hope to see you in the next one. So if you'd like to enroll for the class, contact me on WhatsApp.